Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn getting to know plants together, step by step. Hello friends, I am Vidya. Look around you and you will see plants everywhere. Plants are living things that grow. Today, we will get to know plants and learn how they help us. A plant has many parts. The roots go down into the soil and hold the plant. The stem stands up tall. The green leaves make food for the plant. And many plants have pretty flowers and tasty fruit. Plants come in many sizes. Some plants are very tall, like big trees. Some are smaller, like bushes. And some are tiny, like soft grass and little herbs. All of them are plants. Plants help us in so many ways. They give us fruits and vegetables to eat. They give us fresh, clean air to breathe. And big trees give us cool shade to sit under. We must take care of plants. To recap, plants are living things that grow. They have roots, a stem, leaves, flowers, and fruit. Plants give us food, clean air, and shade. Let us love and care for our plants, friends. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.